Welcome. In this video, I'll explain how to use the 電子届出 system from login to 利用申出. Please follow the screen step by step. The important buttons are highlighted so it's easy to proceed. Step 1. Log in. First, on the 利用者ログイン screen, enter your 利用者 ID and password. Then click Login. Note, if you enter the wrong password several times, your account may be locked for a while, so please type carefully. Step 2. オンライン申請手続きをクリック. After logging in, you'll see the top page. Click オンライン申請手続き. This will open the 手続き一覧 screen where you can choose the correct procedure. Step 3. 利用申出を選ぶ. On 手続き一覧, select 利用申出, the option for your organization. Please be careful, do not select the wrong 利用申出 type. Once selected, the 手続き説明 screen will appear. Step 4. 利用規約を確認して同意する. On the 手続き説明 page, read the 利用規約 carefully. If you agree, click 同意する to continue. This confirms you accept the rules for using 電子届出 system. Step 5. 必要事項を入力する. Now fill in the required fields on the input screen. For example, 機関名称, 代表者氏名, and 届出手続き担当者 AG. Complete all items marked 必須. If any required field is missing, you may see an error and cannot proceed. Step 6. 資料を添付する PDF. Next, attach your documents in 資料添付. Click on 添付ファイル, then click ファイルの選択. Choose the correct PDF file, click 開く, and then click 添付する. If you have multiple files, repeat ファイルの選択, 添付する for each file. Step 7. 添付完了, 入力へ戻る, 確認へ進む. After all files are attached, click 入力へ戻る. Then review the input and attachments and click 確認へ進む. This takes you to the 申し込み確認 screen. Step 8. 申し込む OK. 申し込み完了. On 申し込み確認, check that all information is correct. If everything is fine, click 申し込む. A pop-up will appear, click OK. Finally, you will see 申し込み完了. You will also receive an email, so please check it for confirmation.